Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Yeah, we're taking a little ride on the Skyliner because we're heading to Epcot. Let's go, check it out. Here's a little view out of the Skyliner today, guys. And in case you're wondering why we're on the Skyliner, if you watched our previous vlog, we were at the Riviera Resort doing a nice tour of the grounds and of course one of the deluxe studio rooms. So I'm gonna drop a link there if you want to watch that vlog. But I know you guys love Medling World so much, you already probably did, but just in case. And yes, we're heading over to Epcot, guys, because we want to try a couple more of the food options, and we definitely want to see if we can get in a little bit of the Spike, what do they call it? Scavenger hunt with Spike. He's like a bee, and they have several areas where you can go around and do a little fun scavenger hunt. So we're going to go over there and check out that, and hey, we're going to have fun. You're on an adventure with Medling World. So we just got off the Skyliner, and Roberta and Jake, come on over for a minute. I want to show you guys something. Come on over. I think we're able to get the map right here, guys. Let's go inside this retail shop, the World Traveler. I've never been inside either, so let's go check it out and see if they have anything cool in here. I do want to show you guys these cool orange bird ears. Look at these things. Oh, these are really nice. Have not seen these yet. Squeeze me, it says. Really nice. I'm guessing 30. Let's have a look.
Okay. I just didn't know if I should like wait and go somewhere else or different.
Yes, those are 30 for the orange bird ears. Those are so cool.
Okay.
Definitely have not seen those yet. I do see these youth Skyliner t-shirts. These are pretty cool, guys. These are 25. They even have Skyliner socks. Are you kidding me? Let's see what that looks like. It's got For the Skyway. Very cool. I'm not sure of a price. Don't see a price on the socks. Hard to find prices in here, and it's busy, so I can't really get to a lot of cast members. Luggage tag, Skyliner luggage tag. That is definitely $18. So there you have it. A few newer things that I have not seen. If you're interested in this other merch over here, guys, I'll drop a link. We did a vlog here on opening day, and I did cover all that different merch there already. So, but we definitely want to get the map for our scavenger hunt. So guys, these are the prizes that you get at the end of the scavenger hunt. So it's one per board. If you wanted them all, you'd have to buy 4 boards. We actually already got our prize because you do have the option of, once you purchase the board, they can stamp it right then and there and give you your prize. But we're not going to show you the prize yet, guys. We're gonna go around and we'll show you a couple of the scavenger hunt areas. We can't give them all away to you, but we'll do a couple, and then we'll show you which one we picked out. So keep in your mind which one. You can try to guess if you want. We'll show you after we complete a few of the Spike pollination scavenger hunt. Okay, so here is Spike's pollination exploration 2022. As you can see, you go around the World Showcase to these different gardens, and then on the back you have these stickers which will match up to the garden. So once you get, let's say we go to this prehistoric plants, you're gonna find Spike over there, and he's gonna be representing one of these awesome flowers, and you would just put the sticker on the according garden. So here we are. This is the English tea garden in the UK, and you can see Spike right there, right guys? And he's got the camellia. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get the sticker. Yeah, right here. And the English tea garden.
Right there, Jake.
Right here. Stick that one right on there, Jake.
English tea garden.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's how it gets done. And I'm gonna tell you, I've done several different scavenger hunts. This by far is the easiest. I can tell already. This one's very easy. But let's do a couple more. Maybe they're not all that easy. As we are walking through the United Kingdom Pavilion, guys, we're not only here just to do the scavenger hunt, we're also going to try some more snacks. We were a little disappointed with the snacks we had the first time we were here. They weren't great. We tried 5 or 6 different ones. I think maybe a couple of them were all right. So we're interested in trying a few more of the snack options as we go around and do a few of these scavenger hunts. So hoping to have some better luck with some of the food. We're gonna head up here to the Honey Bistro Garden. It's actually really coolly themed. It's got like the beehives all around, really cool. And what's nice about this festival is they do have a little bit of education, guys. They teach you stuff. But we are here for a reason. We're here to get a sipper. I believe they have the spike sipper, which is the bee, the scavenger hunt bee that we're doing right now. Let's take a look here. Here he is.
Honey peach.
We want to definitely get that.
Oh no.
So here we are. I found a garden and I do see Spike. Can you guys see him? He's kind of camouflaged in. I want to see if I can come over here and get a better view. There he is. Wow, is he really in there? And there's the flower. I gotta get way down there. That's what he's representing. So this one is difficult. I was thinking it was gonna be easy. He's really blended in nicely there. Really cool. And that's the Honey Bistro.
Yeah.
And which flower is that, Roberta?
Hannah.
Hannah. I think I gave you probably one of the more difficult clues. I'm sorry about that. But we'll do 1 or 2 more as we journey around, guys, and have some snacks and just have a fun day. There is a playground that has just opened here at Epcot. For the festival, maybe they'll continue it past, but I know it does usually last for this festival and the next one, which is the food and wine. So let's go check out the playground while Roberta gets that sipper. And here is the sponsor, of course, Advent Health. Big medical facilities down here in Florida. And the playground is for the enjoyment of children of all ages. Cool, check it out, guys. Really nice in here. And of course, this ain't artificial turf. Very soft, really nicely themed. Wow, it's got like a balloon there. Jake's loving it. He's a big kid. And this playground here, it's right across from where we're getting a sipper. So if you're getting a sipper, it's right across. Let me show you this playscape here. This one's really neat. Wow, look at this one. Try to get over here in the shade a little. It's warmed up. You guys can see it's got like the climbing areas. Really cool. Nicely themed. And again, I love the turf, the artificial turf. And yeah, you might be looking at me going, Matt, you've had the Def Leppard shirt on for like 3 vlogs in a row. You want to know why? This is all the vlogs you've been seeing, the 3rd one now. So we had the Boardwalk, the Riviera, and now Epcot. I filmed them all on the same day. Oh, it's so awesome. We had such a good day. We just kept rolling with it. So yes, it's the same day. I haven't worn the shirt 3 different times in a row. So I just wanted to clear that up, guys. I'm really surprised there's a merry-go-round in the playground. You don't see a lot of merry-go-rounds in playgrounds nowadays. Not like when I was a kid back in the 70s and 80s. It was tons of them. And then I don't think they use them too much anymore, but this one actually does have a merry-go-round. A little updated though. You can stand on that one. Remember being a kid hanging on to the rails of it and spinning around and like you were flying? You guys know what I'm talking about. All of you 70 babies. Now this is a cool sipper. Look at the wings. It's Spike. He comes out just for this festival, Roberta, as far as I know. This is his festival.
It's cute.
So why don't you go ahead and have a sip? First of all, what is it?
It's honey peach.
Honey peach?
Freeze.
All right, go ahead. Have a sip, Roberta. Let us know. And of course, you know, I got to try a sip of that. What do you think?
It doesn't have much taste of peach.
No?
It tastes good. It's very light.
So it tastes more like honey?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't wait to try it. And how much was he?
15.
15 for the sipper with the drink included. Not too bad.
No, it's good.
Hi, Spike. I'm gonna have a quick sip, guys. Let's see if I agree with Roberta. Ah, it's good. It's refreshing. Oh, it's really nice. Definitely, yes, definitely more of a honey. I do taste a bit of peach, kind of after, an aftertaste of peach, but it's really good. It's nice and smooth. I like it. Definitely like it. Highly recommended. Especially if you want a cool sipper. Guys, I don't think I showed you Beauty and the Beast last time I was here. Really cool. A lot of people wanting to take pictures of it, so let me see. Really, really nice. Passing through France, we have the Rose, we have the Spike. There he is, hiding in the rose bushes. Really cool. Guys, we're coming by the Garden Rocks concert series, Kool and the Gang. I want to know something in the comments, guys. Are there any Kool and the Gang? Are there any original members left to this band? I'm not sure. Everybody's having a good time. We're all celebrating here on Medling World. This is a perfect time to say, guys, if you're enjoying this, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. You might still be able to hear a little Kool and the Gang in the background, but here we are at the Garden Italiano, and I'm looking for Spike.
He's right here.
Oh, Jake found him. It is a tomato, and oh, he is hiding. I like this one. This one's a little difficult. So he is hiding in there. You guys can see him right there. There he is. Definitely want to show you Kermit on his bike. Reminds me of the, is that the original Muppet movie when he was riding that bike? That is really, really awesome. With the flowers right in the front and like little saddlebags in the back. The baskets with more flowers. Really love Kermit right here. Awesome. Hey guys, I think we're going to try this enchilada right here. You can read what's in there. Looks pretty good. It is shredded chicken. You guys can see most of this inside is a chicken. Everything else is on the outside. Let me get a little bit of that. Guac there. That must be the guac mousse. All right, let's try this thing out. It's got a little bit of a spice, not a ton, little spice. Chicken was tender. It's good, you know. The sauce here, guys, you can see, really like just really moist. It's hard to describe. The best way I can describe it is, it tastes good. I'm gonna give it I'll give it a 7. It's pretty good. So we all tried the enchilada, like I said. I think it's worth trying at this festival because it's different. Like I said, it was really hard for me to describe it, but now that I'm done, it is a bit spicy. Not like, oh, I can't take it spicy, but a little bit spicy. Not everybody may like it, but I thought it was pretty good. But I think I need a violet lemonade. Chris from Connecticut keeps telling me, Matt, you got to try the violet lemonade. He says it's really refreshing and it's awesome. And I think that'll be a great way to kind of wash down that enchilada. So let's go find out where we can get our violet lemonade. All right, there you have it. The frozen dessert violet lemonade. It's $4.50. We're definitely going to try one of those right now. So guys, we're back in the playground again because Jake just can't get enough of it. But take a look at this. The violet lemonade, frozen violet lemonade. Look at that. Let's have a little taste together. Oh, it's amazing. Really, really good. Awesome. One more. Oh yes, it's a 9. Solid 9. Excellent, refreshing. Tastes great after an enchilada. Guys, really, really good. Highly recommended. Have a look, guys. So beautiful night, huh? Here at Epcot. But let's talk about the frozen violet lemonade. Roberta, what'd you think of that?
Oh, it's good. In terms of drink, I think that's actually one of my favorites.
Roberta says that's her new favorite. Yeah?
One of my favorites.
What do you give that on a 1, 8, 3, 7? What do you got?
That's a 9.
9.
Sure, yeah.
Absolutely. Solid 9 from me. One of the, actually, I would say, out of all the beverages I've had, definitely top in with snacks right up there.
Yes.
But it's expensive, man.
Yes, you get.
It's about, I'd say, no more than 8 ounce, that little cup. 6 to 8 ounce cup, and it's $4.50. So again, with Epcot, you get very small portions for what you're paying.
Correct.
But that was good. It really was. So I would definitely have another one.
Yeah.
We will have another one next time we come. All right, so we need to show you guys the prize, right? So you remember the 4 I showed you? The 4 prizes you had to select from. It was Figment, it was Mickey Mouse, it was Spike, and it was Orange Bird. Those 4 little containers. Take a guess now which one you think we got. All right, I'm gonna show you. And we got Spike. Why not? Because he's kind of the mascot, right, of the Flower and Garden Festival.
Orange Bird too. But yeah,
Orange Bird too.
Orange Bird, but we wanted this.
He's
Spike
cool
too.
because I only really see him this time of the year, really.
Yeah, and we got it also because we got the zipper.
And the zipper, kind of
yeah,
like
we
a little
wanna get
match.
both.
Open it up for us if you don't mind, Roberta. So you can see it's just kind of like a container. You put crackers or something inside. So nothing wicked fancy, but pretty cool to collect and a lot of fun doing the scavenger hunt. Thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe if you have not already. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. We love our subs. And last but not least, come on, you guys know what I'm gonna say. See ya!